Hello students. Today we are going to study Mathematics Part 2 of Standard 9, Chapter number 3, Triangles. Earlier we studied congruency of triangle and also tests for congruency of triangles and practice set 3.2. Today we are going to study some more of the theorems and practice set 3.3. First we will see isosceles triangle theorem. It states that if two sides of a triangle are congruent, then the angles opposite to them are congruent. According to the statement, we will draw the diagram of triangle ABC in which side AB is congruent to side AC, and we have to prove angle ABC congruent to angle ACB. For this we will take construction. Draw the bisector of angle BAC which intersects side BC at point D. Now we will start with the proof. In triangle ABD and triangle ACD, segment AB congruent to segment AC which is given. Angle BAD congruent to angle CAD by construction. And segment AD is congruent to segment AD as they both are common side for both the triangles. Therefore, triangle ABD congruent to triangle ACD by SAS test. Therefore, angle ABD congruent to angle ACD by corresponding angle of congruent triangle. Therefore, angle ABC congruent to angle ACB because B', D', C means B, D and C are collinear. Now we will move on to the next theorem, that is 30, 60, 90 degree theorem of triangle. If the acute angles of a right angle triangle have measures 30 degree and 60 degree, then the length of the side opposite to 30 degree angle is half the length of the hypotenuse, and the length of the side opposite to 60 degree angle is √3/2 of hypotenuse. Therefore, for example, in triangle ABC, angle B equal to 90 degree, angle C equal to 30 degree, angle A equal to 60 degree. So by theorem, side AB is side opposite to 30 degree angle and AC is hypotenuse. Therefore, AB equal to 1/2 of AC. Whereas BC is side opposite to 60 degree. Therefore, by theorem, BC equal to √3/2 of AC. Now we will move on to next theorem, 45, 45, 90 degree theorem. It states that if measures of angles of a triangle are 45, 45, 90 degree, then the length of each side containing the right angle is 1/√2 of hypotenuse. For example, in triangle ABC, angle B equal to 90 degree, angle A and angle C equal to 45 degree, then AB equal to BC equal to 1/√2 AC. As we had studied earlier median of triangle, the segment joining a vertex and the midpoint of the side opposite to it is called a median of the triangle. For example, in triangle ABC, point D is midpoint of side BC, hence segment AD is median of triangle ABC. The point of concurrence of medians of a triangle divides each median in the ratio 2:1. The point of concurrence of median is called as centroid. Now we will see the property of median drawn on the hypotenuse of right angle. It states that in a right angle triangle, the length of the median of the hypotenuse is half the length of the hypotenuse. For example, in triangle ABC, angle B equal to 90 degree, segment BD is the median, therefore BD equal to half of AC. Now we will move on to practice set 3.3. Question number 1. Find the values of X and Y using the information shown in figure. Find the measure of angle ABD and measure of angle ACD. Now as in triangle ABC, AB equal to AC, therefore by isosceles triangle theorem, Angle ABC equal to angle ACB. Therefore, x equal to 50 degree. In triangle BDC, DB equal to DC. Again by isosceles triangle theorem, angle DBC equal to angle DCB. Therefore, y equal to 60. Now, angle ABD equal to angle ABC plus angle DBC equal to 50 plus 60 equal to 110 degree. Also, angle ACD equal to angle ACB plus angle DCB equal to 50 plus 60 equal to 110 degree. Question number 2. The length of hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 15. Find the length of median of its hypotenuse. Now in right angle triangle, the length of the median on its hypotenuse is half the length of the hypotenuse. Hence, the length of hypotenuse equal to 15 unit. We know median equal to half of the length of hypotenuse. Therefore, median equal to 1/2 of 15, that is 7.5 units. Question number 3. In triangle PQR, angle Q equal to 90 degree, PQ equal to 12, QR equal to 5 and QS is a median. Find length QS. Now, in triangle PQR, by Pythagoras theorem, PR square equal to PQ square plus QR square. After putting values, we will get PR square equal to 12 square plus 5 square. That is, PR square equal to 144 plus 25. PR square equal to 169, that is 13 square. PR equal to 13. Hence, in right angle triangle, the length of the median on its hypotenuse is half the length of the hypotenuse. Therefore, length QS equal to half of length PR. Therefore, length QS equal to 1/2 of 13, that is 6.5 units. Now we will move on to question number 4. In figure, point G is the point of concurrence of the medians of triangle PQR. If GT equal to 2.5, find the lengths of PG and PT. As we know, the point of concurrence of medians of a triangle divides each median in the ratio 2:1. So let us suppose the length of PG and GT will be 2x and x. Therefore, the value of x is 2.5. Now PG equal to 2.5 into 2, that is 5 units. Now PT equal to PG plus GT. Therefore, PT equal to 5 plus 2.5, that is 7.5 units.